Good morning, friends. So we're doing a little camping exercise thing. We're using a compass, and we are having a little treasure hunt with a compass. So I'm having them start at a certain place and then walk in a certain direction. And we're working on choosing a landmark that we can walk to. That way we don't have to walk through something big and tall like this or something that has a bunch of thorns. We can choose an easier path, but we can keep the landmark in our sight. So I'm out here scouting out the location, and then I go back, pick my landmarks that I want them to find, and then I go back and plot the course using the coordinates. So right now I'm planning out Red's path, and so I'm going to leave a red cloth here, which I'll come back later and pick up. I won't just leave it out here in the woods, but I'm going to have a red cloth. I'm going to tie it around something. Here's a campsite. I'll probably tie it around this picnic bench, and then I can see through there, I can see a windmill. And so I'm gonna plot my course over to there, and that way, that's where I want them to go. And then I'll walk it out, and I'll say it's approximately, maybe it looks to me like it might be approximately 100 steps or so. And so we'll go to that, and then I'll have a new thing for them to follow. So this is just a little Coleman compass. It's not super expensive. I've had this for, man, probably 25 years maybe, I don't even know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up this little site there. That gets me I can put that on put my magnifying glass down, and that will magnify, or that will point to my degree I want to walk. So I'm putting that down, and then I'm going to sight to my windmill over there, and I'm going to try to keep it in line. And I'm looking, and I'm about right now what to me looks like about 230 degrees approximately. So I'm going to write down walk 230 degrees, and then I'll count it out, and I'll say approximately 90 steps, 100 steps. And so then we'll get to that point, and I'll plot a new direction. And what I'm doing is I'm actually leading them. I have 3 different groups. I have a blue, a red, and I believe I'm going to choose a white. I had a green, but man, this stuff, I doubt I could find the green cloth in this stuff. So I'm going to probably choose a white. And so out here, we'll have 3 groups, and I'm going to try to lead them all back to a spot over here. Lead them all back there where I have a cooler, and the treasure chest will be a cooler of drinks, a cooler of marshmallows, and a cooler of fire starting materials. And that's what we'll start a little fire, and we'll roast some marshmallows. So this is the first leg. I'm gonna write this down, 230 degrees, and I'm gonna count off those steps, and then I'm gonna plot another path. All right, friends, so I found my point, and right here, I tied the little red marker around there, and then I position myself to where I'm looking 80 degrees, and I am going to walk over. There's like 2 little trees that are kind of running parallel at the top, and they're kind of making a V a little bit, not really parallel. And so I'm at 20 paces right now. So from the windmill, from that point, they're going to turn they're going to position themselves at 80 degrees and then walk that way. So let's go. So I'm at 20 paces right now. 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, friends. So I have my last red little deal right there. and I've looked at my compass, and I want them to turn 25 degrees, and that puts them over there. And then I've already walked it off. We're walking 90 steps approximately. I'm doing this walking. They're smaller, so that's why I said approximately. It might be 100 for them, might be 110, but it's not going to be 400. So approximately 90 steps, and that'll get them back to the fire ring that all the other groups are going to be back to. So this is something fun you can do with kids or even adults that are just learning how to use a compass. Start at an area, say go in this direction at whatever degrees, walk approximately how many paces, then turn in another direction, and then have a finish line. So thanks so much for watching, friends. I appreciate the views, appreciate all the comments. Thanks for watching.